very first question, just a hands up, who wants to say 1 to 2 hours a day? Can you hands up?
Sorry?
Who wants to say 1 to 2 hours a day? Save, S-A-V-E. Yes. And who has references for moms, or who knows a teacher anywhere who wants to go online or start something as a kind of a passive income? Raise your hand if you know some people like that. Great. Then all of you will have a great time now in this 7 minutes of session or presentation around the Motivania. So like I said, the future belongs to AI-enabled teachers and professionals. Something about me, like Haritosh said, that I have been into industry from last 20 years, been into different companies, from telecom industry to media to edtech, fintech, and even the IT companies. Had certifications around PMP, CISO, ITIL, even TTT, which is train the trainer, and soft skills trainer from SQA, which is a Scottish academy. Mission is to empower people with AI skills and confidence, because right now this is the skill set which everyone wants to upgrade for, so that they can save their daily timings and the cost can be reduced. Moving ahead, teach, lead and transform is the tagline which we follow. If I talk about the target audiences, so I cater to schools, wherein if they want to upgrade their teachers in their AI skills, maybe in the soft skills, the image management side, the communication side, or even if they want to help teachers in their behavioral development. So I also do handwriting analysis along with the graphotherapy. Individuals in terms of who have been professionals, maybe laid off, or some people who have taken an off, maybe due to the family reasons. Moms are there who wanted to restart their career. So even they are kind of people whom I can help. This is the 5 stage which we follow, which talks about an awareness, like I help them to create that awareness around that, what is the niche they are catering to. Then the skill building, like what are the skills required to do so. Then the content creation, so how AI can help them in creation of their courses or creation of their digital products. Then again, monetization, how you can create a monetization around the same. And then last is the scaling. So this is the journey which I call from a teacher to edupreneur, and I bridge this gap. Moving ahead, these are the core programs which I cater to. We have silver membership, golden membership. Silver comprises of your courses, hackathons, which are the weekly challenges which we perform, so that if somebody is learning, they should be able to implement as such. And if they have any challenges in place, we definitely cater to those, even provide them the rewards and certifications and the recognition around the same at a scale of pan-India or global level, depending upon how much they have done, like whether it's a 1 crore champion or it's a 10 crore champion, that way the program has been aligned. Niche clarity, communication, confidence and basic AI for teaching is something which comes under silver membership. Gold is more advanced towards the AI tools. Some tools for teacher which are very helpful are like Magic School. We have VIDQ for going viral from the YouTube content perspective, Canva AI, and even the business automations. We have certifications around the same, like silver has a 90 days program, whereas gold is further advanced, and then later there are something called diamond membership, which is customized to the needs of the people, whether it's for the school or the individuals. That's an yearly plan and it goes till 3 years. It's a master's degree which you get. So we believe in 5 C's, which is content, creation, clarity and community. So this is what we believe in. This is the edupreneur growth engine which we follow. Moving ahead, I will share a success story of Neha. She has come from Hong Kong. She was a yoga coach over there. She only had 10 people in her community from last 3 years. And when she met me, she joined a 7-day challenge wherein she learned about the AI confidence building and everything. And later she got an initiative, an invitation which happened this year itself on Independence Day, Yoga Day was there. So she was invited as one of the person who was there to take this session, where around 3 lakh people were there on the ground near Red Fort area. So she was one of them. This is a demo which I wanted to give, but right now since we have shortened time, so this I will showcase you live later, but this is a surprise for Simranji as well. So what I did was, I had some of the information of Simranji. I have utilized a tool called ChatGPT with the Go plan, as well as something called Lovable AI. So what I did was, I just gave an input of all her details into the ChatGPT, created a prompt, put it across in a lovable AI tool, where when I run that prompt, it has created the whole website for Simranji. That's why I was asking, do you have a website? So my example is, if you want to create your website, last day we also had a discussion with Manish ji, he had spent 12,000 for the same. Whereas people also spend 20 to 30,000 because they keep on upgrading, and plus there are a lot of time allocations, then they might not understand what you need. This can be created within 3 minutes. And I will show you even after the session how it can be done live now. Right now I will publish her website and let's see if she likes it or not. But definitely these changes can definitely be done within a minute or two. Just require the time of reflection, what you need, give me the pictures, everything. You can also do it on your own. It's just like talking to your AI. So my give and ask, I can connect you with Mrs. Ekta Ranjan. She is the Director at Sustainability Actions Australia. I also have connections in FinTech, EdTech, Telecom, and my ask is the principles, and the keywords you can listen for my references can be if there are teachers who need AI training, they want to modernize the schools, they want to start something online, or they need any kind of AI tool. So you can just tell them, refer to me. Last but not the least, this Sunday at 10:30 I am conducting a webinar which is a free of cost. So you can refer the people, come over there and understand what this process is all about and how they can help them. Whether it's a teacher or a mom or any working professional who needs to understand AI and how these programs can help them. That's it. Thank you so much.